Welcome to Hustle Wallet, the channel where we make money simple. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by finance, unsure where to start, or frustrated with all the complicated jargon out there, you're in the right place. This space is built for you, the student trying to budget smarter, the young professional looking to invest, or the entrepreneur searching for ways to grow your income. Here's the truth, money doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, when you break it down, it's not about chasing quick wins or endless get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a foundation, step by step, that supports your goals and gives you freedom in the future. And that's exactly what Hustle Wallet is here to help you do. On this channel, we cover 5 core pillars of financial growth. First, the basics of personal finance, how to budget, save, avoid common mistakes, and take control of your spending so your money works for you instead of disappearing every month. Second, making money, side hustles, freelancing, and creative ways to add income streams in 2025 and beyond. You'll learn practical strategies that anyone can start, no matter your background or resources. Third, investing and wealth building, because saving alone won't create financial freedom. We'll break down stocks, ETFs, crypto, and real estate in ways that are simple, clear, and accessible to beginners. Fourth, digital finance and technology, everything from banking apps to fintech, crypto trends, and the future of money. If it's changing how we interact with our wallets, you'll find it here. And fifth, money psychology, because finance isn't just about numbers, it's about habits, mindset, and discipline. We'll explore why we spend the way we do, how to rewire those patterns, and how to build confidence with money. Each week, we'll drop one main video that dives deep into these topics, plus a short, 30 to 60-second video that delivers quick tips, hacks, and motivation you can apply right away. Think of Hustle Wallet as your no-hassle guide to smarter money moves. We're not here to overwhelm you with endless theories. We're here to give you practical, bite-sized steps that actually make a difference. Whether you're learning how to budget your first paycheck, exploring side hustles to supplement your income, or finally taking the leap into investing, Hustle Wallet is here to walk with you every step of the way. So if you want to save smarter, earn more, and build real wealth without the stress, hit that subscribe button and join the Hustle Wallet community. Money doesn't have to be a hassle. With the right guidance, it becomes your tool for freedom. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to Hustle Wallet.